Are we okay? Are we okay? Are we okay? Are we okay? We following, right? We following. Okay. Now, by looking at this continuous rise in value, one can see that the buyers are coming into the market, right? But there will always be a certain level whereby the market kind of be in a bit of a consolidative state. The main objective of a consolidative state it can symbolize profit taking. It can symbolize an addition of more orders in order to continue with the rally, right? And also it does symbolize a state of comfortability, right? So remember that we spoke about when when you know that the destination it's far, then what you load, it must be big, isn't it? So if the continuation of a rally, the market still has the probability of continuing with the rally. Therefore, the duration in which the market spends in a consolidation does play a very significant role, because we said that the consolidation can also represent what? A corrective phase. So a corrective phase does not actually represent only, it's not only represented by the decline in price to retest a specific price level, but can be symbolized by the consolidative state. Are we okay? Because the consolidative state, when it occurs, what occurs is that like it gives opportunities for those that still believe that the market has the potential to drop to commit their short positions. So now you've got an interaction between the sellers and the buyers. But the question arises, at that specific consolidation, who is engaging? That depends on the trend. Who is engaging depends on the trend. If it is a bullish trend, then the activities are more focused between the retail traders or the masses. Are we okay? So we have seen the continuous rise in price, right? The consolidation part, they create a certain level where most kind of like want to participate, right? Then you have the break above a specific key level that is an area of interest. The market comes back, dips below it, right? So now you can start seeing an increase in volume. Can you see it? You can start seeing an increase in volume. You can start seeing an increase in participants, right? Because what they have seen occurring in the past, they expect to see it in the future. Therefore, the impositions of the previous template onto the current market, the floor. When I say floor, I don't mean floor, I mean floor. Isn't it? The imposition of the previous template, which is, for example, let's take this one here. Consolidation, thy breakout. Expectation of a further continuation of the rally. Continuation of the further continuation of the rally. The imposition of the previous template onto the current market. Therefore, expectations based on the previous template. Are we okay? Then the market will come and prove to you why you should not judge me based on my previous moves. Just because previously I was a thief, don't mean that now I'm still a thief. Maybe I've changed, I'm religious, I'm a man of God, I'm graced. So if you expected me to behave previously how I used to behave, I'm gonna show you that now I've elevated above your thinking capabilities. You see, thou shalt not judge a person by his previous. Just because you knew me back in high school, don't mean you know me even now. I might still be the same person in terms of appearance and everything, but mentally, maybe I've elevated or I downgraded. So you can't be sure. Are we okay? Okay. Now, the imposition of the previous template, now it failed, isn't it? We had a huge spike into the area here. But that spike comes back into the same ideology that we have. They say that, like, if you know that the road you are taking, the destination is far, then what you load, it must be deep. Therefore, an increasing amount of participant within the market, right, results in a deeper retracement. The depth of the retracements depends on the amount of retail traders that are currently taking and placing positions in the same direction as professional traders. In this case, we're talking about professional buyers. So we understand that the activities that are occurring when the market continues to push to the upside, same